Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best whetstone is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone serious about maintaining razor-sharp edges on their knives, chisels, or other cutting instruments, transforming dull blades into precision instruments with a mirror-like finish that glides through tasks effortlessly, making it an indispensable asset for chefs, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts alike who demand peak performance from their tools. Number 5. Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening Stone. Experience the difference with our premium quality sharpening stones, crafted from superior materials for exceptional cutting performance. Don't settle for less when it comes to maintaining your blades. This superior bundle includes everything you need: a dual-grit whetstone with a non-slip base, a flattening stone, and an ebook guide. It's the perfect kit to make even the dullest knives incredibly sharp. Revitalize dull or damaged blades with just one use. Enjoy faster cutting, easier food prep, and reduced fatigue, making your kitchen tasks more enjoyable. Our dual-sided whetstone features a 400 grit side for reshaping and a 1000 grit side for sharpening and smoothing. The included flattening stone ensures a perfectly level surface for consistent results. Plus, it's a water stone, so no oil is needed. From kitchen knives and chef's knives to hunting knives, scissors, chisels, and even swords, this versatile sharpener can restore the edge on virtually any blade. It's the only sharpener you'll ever need. What we like. This versatile kit offers dual grit for restoring and sharpening. It comes with everything you need for general knife maintenance. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution to bring dull knives back to life, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This 8000 grit whetstone is incredibly fine, perfect for achieving a razor-sharp edge on your knives. The stone itself is well made and durable, holding its shape even after repeated use. It comes with a stable base that prevents slipping during sharpening, ensuring safety and precision. Number 4. Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening Stone. Experience the difference with our premium quality sharpening stone. We source only the finest materials, ensuring superior cutting performance for your blades. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for perfect sharpening. It features dual-grit whetstones for fine sharpening and polishing, a stable bamboo base, and a flattening stone to keep your tool in top condition. Our sharpening kit is incredibly easy to use, requiring only water, no oils needed. The included bases provide a stable and safe platform for sharpening. From kitchen knives to swords, this tool sharpens them all. It's perfect for home cooks and professionals alike, restoring any blade to its former glory. Achieve a razor-sharp edge with ease. This unparalleled tool is designed for everyone, delivering professional results every time. What we like. Achieve a mirror-like, razor-sharp edge with this high-grit stone. Its fine grits are perfect for polishing and refining. If you desire a professional-level finish on your blades, this kit will deliver exceptional results. What people say. The whetstone is very effective for sharpening knives. It provides a fine edge that is incredibly sharp. The stone is durable and holds its shape well over time. Number 3. Angerstone Whetstone 1000-6000 Grit Sharpening Kit. This premium kit includes everything you need for superior sharpening. It features a double-sided 1000-6000 grit whetstone, a silicone base, and an anti-slip bamboo holder. You'll also find a flattening stone, an angle guide, and a towel to complete your setup. It's incredibly versatile, capable of sharpening almost any blade you own. From kitchen knives to garden tools, and even axes, it handles them all. Please note, it is not suitable for serrated or ceramic blades. Safety is paramount with this kit. The silicone base and non-slip bamboo holder keep it firmly in place during use. Plus, the included angle guide helps you maintain the correct angle for safe and consistent pressure. Using it is incredibly simple. Just soak it for a few minutes, and it's ready to restore your blades. Unlike traditional sharpeners, no oil is needed, making cleanup a breeze. Each stone undergoes rigorous third-party inspection for durability and functionality, ensuring uncompromising quality. It's a simple, award-winning tool trusted by many, making it an ideal gift for anyone. What we like. This kit stands out with its included angle guide, ensuring consistent sharpening every time. It also features robust safety elements for secure use. If you are a beginner or value precision and safety, this system is ideal for mastering your sharpening technique. What people say. The Whetstone is very effective for sharpening knives. It provides a fine edge that is incredibly sharp. The stone is durable and holds its shape well over time. Number 2. Sharp Pebble Large Flattening Stone. This innovative flattening stone stands apart from others. It features a two-sided, dual-grit diamond grid system, designed to create perfectly flat surfaces on your sharpening stones. Built with high-quality silicon carbide, it cuts precisely and wears slowly, ensuring exceptional strength and durability. Its unique diamond-shaped grid pattern quickly and efficiently removes only waste material. This design ensures optimal flattening for all types of sharpening stones, including whetstones, oil stones, and ceramic stones. This double-sided whetstone flattening stone boasts an extra-large total flattening area. It's 3 times bigger than other stones, providing ample space to completely flatten any whetstone with ease. The dark gray 120 grit side is perfect for flattening coarse water stones, specifically those with 900 grit and lower. This side delivers the robust cutting action needed to effectively level your stone. For finer water stones, a coarse grit can leave an undesirable finish. That's why we've included a light gray 320 grit side, ideal for water stones with 1000 grit and higher, ensuring a smoother result. Not all sharpening tools are made equal. We use only premium quality materials in its manufacturing. This commitment ensures superior cutting performance and your complete satisfaction. What we like. This unique flattening stone features dual grits and an extra-large surface. Its diamond groove design efficiently relevels your sharpening stones. If you own multiple whetstones and want to ensure their longevity and performance, this is an indispensable tool. What people say. Number 1. Sharp Pebble Whetstone Sharpening System with Angle Guides. This system features built-in adjustable angle guides, eliminating guesswork. It helps you maintain a consistent sharpening angle, reducing uneven edges and protecting your valuable knives. Its premium 1000-6000 grit stones use dense, uniform abrasives for even pressure. This design is forgiving, even with inconsistent hand pressure, ensuring safe sharpening without damaging blades. Designed as a complete beginner system, it includes a non-slip base for stable sharpening. You only need water, which means less mess and easier cleanup compared to oil-based alternatives. This professional dual grit system quickly sharpens dull blades with 1000 grit and refines them with 6000 grit. It delivers razor-sharp results in minutes, requiring fewer strokes and offering more control. Built for long-term use, this durable sharpener provides consistent performance. It outlasts cheaper alternatives, protecting your valuable knives and saving you money over time. What we like. This system simplifies sharpening with its innovative built-in angle guides. It ensures a consistent edge without guesswork, making it incredibly user-friendly. If you are new to sharpening and want guaranteed precise angles with minimal effort, this is the perfect starting point. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.